we're introducing a delicious natural juice recipe to cleanse your intestines and liver. This refreshing drink combines kiwis, apples, yogurt, water, lemon, ginger, and honey. Each ingredient plays a vital role in promoting detoxification. Kiwis are rich in fiber and vitamin C, aiding digestion and boosting immunity. Apples provide antioxidants and help regulate blood sugar levels. Yogurt adds probiotics, which support gut health. Water is essential for hydration and flushing out toxins. Lemon enhances detoxification with its high vitamin C content and alkalizing properties. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory benefits and can soothe the digestive system. Finally, honey adds natural sweetness and has antibacterial properties. We encourage you to try this juice for a refreshing detox experience that will revitalize and energize you. Healing with lemongrass. Lemongrass is a powerful herb known for its remarkable healing properties. One of its key benefits is aiding digestion, helping to alleviate bloating and discomfort after meals. Additionally, lemongrass has calming effects that can significantly reduce stress and anxiety, making it a great addition to your wellness routine. You can enjoy lemongrass in various ways, such as brewing it into soothing teas or just using it as a flavorful seasoning in your favorite dishes. Its citrusy aroma and taste can elevate your culinary creations while providing health benefits. We encourage you to incorporate lemongrass into your diet through teas, soups, or stir-fries. Adding this versatile herb to your meals lets you enjoy its digestive and stress-relieving properties, enhancing your health and overall well-being. What are bay leaves for? Properties, benefits, and how to take them. Bay leaves are more than just a flavorful addition to your cooking, they also possess impressive health properties. Rich in antioxidants, bay leaves help combat oxidative stress in the body, while their anti-inflammatory properties can aid in reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. You can easily incorporate bay leaves into your culinary creations by adding them to soups, stews, and sauces, allowing their aromatic flavor to infuse your dishes. Additionally, bay leaves can be used in herbal remedies such as teas to harness their health benefits. Regularly consuming bay leaves may support digestion, improve respiratory health, and even enhance heart health. You can enjoy their unique flavor by including bay leaves in your diet while reaping their numerous health benefits. So don't hesitate to add this versatile herb to your meals. The hidden power of parsley. Parsley is often overlooked, but it's a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins A, C, and K and essential minerals like iron and potassium. This vibrant herb adds flavor to your meals and plays a significant role in digestion and detoxification. Its high fiber content aids in digestive health, while its natural diuretic properties help flush out toxins from the body. Incorporating parsley into your daily diet is simple and rewarding. Add fresh parsley to salads, soups, and sauces for flavor and nutrition. It also makes a great garnish that enhances the visual appeal of your dishes. We encourage you to embrace parsley as a staple in your kitchen, allowing you to enjoy its numerous health benefits while elevating your culinary creation.